In this video, we're going to talk about programming languages that you shouldn't learn. And you probably clicked on this video because you're trying to decide which programming language to start with. And the truth is, all programming languages have their strength, and no matter which one you choose, you can succeed. But now, let's get into the list of languages I wouldn't recommend learning, at least not as your first programming language. Java is a hugely popular programming language with a massive market share. And you could even call it the enterprise standard. So why is it on this list? Java is great for large-scale projects, but if you want to prototype quickly and experiment, it falls short compared to other languages. And the entire process of writing Java code just feels slow and clunky. And because Java is widely used for big projects, it also means dealing with tons of legacy code, which you will have to read and maintain. But in general, as a first programming language, Java is not bad, and it's fairly easy to learn. So the final verdict, Java is fine, but only if you're okay with legacy code and don't mind sacrificing your mental health in the process. Oh, and if you're planning to work for a giant corporation, of course. The great and powerful C++. It's an incredibly powerful language that can be used to build almost anything, and the performance is insanely fast. So why wouldn't I recommend learning it, especially as a first programming language? It's just because C++ is hard to learn, but if you master it, you are a legend. And just like Java, writing and prototyping code takes forever. So the final verdict, C++ is a brilliant language, but only if you're smart and crazy enough to fully understand it. PHP. I personally hate this language, but right now about 70% of all websites run on PHP. Mainly thanks to WordPress, which makes launching a website super easy. And in general, PHP is pretty easy to learn as a first programming language. But here's why I wouldn't recommend learning it. It's just slowly dying, and the syntax is garbage. After writing some PHP code, I just want to wash my hands. And there is also too much legacy code. So the final verdict, you should only learn PHP if you tried it and fell in love with it. Otherwise, just pretend it doesn't exist at all. So we've gone over some programming languages that you shouldn't learn. But at the end of the day, if you've tried one of these languages, you enjoy it, and you feel like it's the right fit for you, then ignore everyone and just go for it. No matter what programming language you pick, you will find a job, make good money, and live happily. And yes, even if it's PHP. So if you want to see more videos like this, then hit that like button, subscribe, and see you.